Bad news at Bong Chong. I went up in there in Bong Chong right there. I went up in there and they tell me it is what time is it? It's 7:27. I swiped a $14 batch, 17 items, 8 minutes away. Now, I took this order in hopes to get an add-on order, but it didn't seem like my plan worked out. So I'm at the store, I did not receive an add-on order, and I'm stuck with this $14 order. I'm gonna do Instacart all day until it dries up, and then I'm gonna hop on DoorDash. We're gonna see how much we can make. So yeah, stay tuned. Team Run It Up, let's get it.
Yeah. If life is a movie, you got a choice. So what are you choosing? Then you fold. My dogs are holding the code. We never get loosey. These days everyone's wrapped in gold. The money don't change it for you, even though. Don't let the snake up change up your goals. Keeping it honest, don't tell them who told. You gotta know how to act.
Oh, it's icky out here today. Pulling up on the customers like, let's get it. We here. So Instacart thinks they're punishing me because they didn't want to show me anything for about an hour. Almost an hour, it's like 45 minutes. And then they finally showed me a $47 batch 5 miles away. A $47 5 miles away, but it's 57 items. They think they're doing me dirty. I'ma crush this. Let's get it. Yo, Instacart try to play me with this order. Look at this order. This is a single order. Look at all this stuff. All this, and it's raining. I gotta hurry up and get this in there so the paper bags don't get soaking wet. And we're at $61 before 10 a.m. It's 9:50. I'm headed to Costco right now. Like, I gotta catch that Costco drop. Hopefully we get a banger. Hopefully. In the Costco parking lot. And I am very, very hurt right now. I'm hurt, man. Because I missed a $108 order.
I tell you what.
That one stung. We just got a triple delivery only, which I really don't like because it's a $27 delivery only, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, man.
The one who are really attached, then the ones who will hold out your back. Give you praise when you're in the trap. Shooting, just hope you get you a stack. But yeah, that's life. You know the price. You know.
Basically, what I'm gonna be doing later with DoorDash, I took a $9 order, 7 items, 4 miles. All right. So in hopes that they give me an add-on order, they haven't yet. I'm hoping for an add-on. Wish me luck. And no luck for me today. No luck. No add-on. Oh well. At least it was easy. All right, fam, so we are back at the store. We just swiped a $21 batch 4 miles away. 28 items, not the greatest batch. Not a good batch at all, actually. It is a lot of produce, which I hate doing produce, man. Produce slows you down because you got to check it. Stupid. But on this order, they try to give me 2 add-ons. Both of them suck. $13, 10 miles, 20 item add-on. Nah, you can keep that one, Instacart. And we're off. We crushed this batch, but yo, that produce be taking forever. You didn't see the 38? I got a 38. I'm out of here. All right, fam, so I think this is gonna be my last Instacart order because I got stuff to do at the house. And then we're gonna come back out for DoorDash for the dinner run, which I've never done before. But yeah, this order's a delivery only. $12, 4 miles. Really easy. Nothing crazy. Well, for this delivery, I'm pulling up to an elementary school. That's the first. Notice I got my coat on, right? Because I just put it back on. I'm about to cook something to eat. I got my oil right here, about to spray the pan. I got my eggs down there, about to throw in the pan, you know what I'm saying? Scramble some up. And then I look at the phone and the 67 triple pops up. I got to go back to the store. Let's go. Team Run It Up. You already know what it is. Let's get out of here. So here we are, Team Run It Up. We back. Back right at the store that I just left and was done. I was really done too. At least with Instacart for the day. I was gonna eat, then go back out and do some DoorDash. But as soon as I started to cook, they showed me a 67. You can't pass that up. No, 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 no. Look at all this. This is, oh my gosh, to the fourth floor. Fourth floor right here. Oh my goodness. No way, bro. I don't know what I just swiped. That's why I swiped it. That's why I got it. That's why I was just sitting there and I'm like thinking I got something special. And we got 8 waters going to the 4th floor. 4th floor. I got my buddy out here helping me bring them. Like, I couldn't even pull all the carts. Look at this. Are you kidding me? No. All right, nothing I can do now. Let's hurry up and load it up.
But yeah, that's life. You know the price. You know that, right? You know that's right.
All right, fam, so it is 6 p.m. and I'm just headed out. I turned on the DoorDash app and I got my first order already. It was $7 and some change. I'm not really sure exactly what it was, 7 something, but it was for 3 miles, 5 guys, and that's right up the street from me. So we're about to go pick that up. I just got an add-on for $4 and it was 0.7 miles away. So this turned into a double order. Took a long time for them to make the order, man. That was annoying because it was not ready. I don't know how you Dashers do it because this food smells too good right now. It's making me hungry. I don't know how y'all do this every day. I'm starving. So I just got another DoorDash order. I'm not even sure if this is good or not. It's $12.50 for 7 miles. It's a double order. And it's 2 different stores.
Yeah. If life is a movie, you got a choice. So what are you choosing? Then you fall. My dogs are holding the code. We never get loosey. These days everyone's wrapped in gold. The money don't change it for you, even though. Don't let the snake up change up your gold.
We made $26.25, so that's not bad at all. Actually, that's not bad. We was active for 1 hour and 7 minutes, and our dash time was 1 hour and 18 minutes. So that's perfect. That's awesome right there. $26.25. I like that. That's not too bad. You know what I mean? I'm on my way back to my area, which is like maybe like 8 minutes away. So it's 7:30 and I said, what the heck? I decided to dash until 8 o'clock. I turned it back on. But I got an order that is kind of weird. It's a Walgreens order, right? So I guess I gotta go shop. I guess it's kind of like Instacart here. It's only 4 items. It's only 1 mile away from the Walgreens. So hopefully this goes quick and fast and easy. All right, fam, so we just got another dash at Bong Chong. I'm outside of Bong Chong. I'm about to go in there and grab it. Bad news at Bong Chong. I went up in there in Bong Chong right there. I went up in there and they told me the order is scheduled for 13 minutes. They're not gonna be finished making the order for the next 13 minutes. Luckily for me, this is my last dash. So I ain't tripping, it's cool. I'm gonna go across the street, get some water right at the grocery store. I need to get some water anyways. Then I'm gonna come back to Bong Chong, get the order, which is like 2 miles away, I think in the direction of my house. So yeah, it's all good. No matter what, we running it up. I had nothing else to do, so I decided to dash and made some cash. Let's get it.
But yeah, that's life. You know the price. You know that, right? You know that's right. If life is a